Hey everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Kira and today I'm going to show you how to use rollers to create effortless loose waves. Let's get started.
You'll want to start with dry hair, and I recommend styling with second day hair because your hair tends to hold a curl better on the second day after washing. To maximize lift and volume, I'm applying dry shampoo at the roots and using my fingers to shake through. Really tease and lift your roots while you apply the dry shampoo here. Next, for even more body, I'm adding my Luxy Hair Extensions in. This is the Seamless Chestnut Balayage set. Now, to prep your hair before curling, I recommend spritzing a heat protectant spray all over and brushing through for even coverage. Heat protectant sprays usually add extra shine to the texture of your hair as well as protect it from damaging heat. The quickest way to achieve big, bouncy roller curls without waiting all day long for them to set is to actually use a curling iron or wand first. Grab a 1-inch section that isn't wider than the width of a roller and curl your hair first. Then, really quickly, before the piece has a chance to cool down, wrap it around a Velcro roller. This way the curl will set wrapped around the roller. Continue this pattern around your head of curling a section and very quickly wrapping the curl around a roller before it cools. For the front pieces of your hair, make sure to roll up and backwards toward the back of your head to have these curls swirl outward and away from your face. You want to make sure you're rolling under and towards your scalp horizontally for the best results. Once all the rollers are in, it's time to step away and relax. You want to leave the rollers in for 15 to 20 minutes at least to ensure your hair is fully cooled down and set. Once 15 to 20 minutes is up, it's time to take the rollers out. Gently roll them down to remove. Feel free to lightly brush out the curls as well, but be careful not to overdo this to avoid the curls falling flat. And that's it! I love this gorgeous bouncy look. It's perfect for a date night and it doesn't take forever.
That's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time.